Hello, Lunar Legends. You guys want to see an interesting command? There is a command via Mix It Up bot that would actually show your let's see, how can I put this? Your stream description, the description of the stream or channel. This is supported by on actually YouTube, Kick, Velora, and VP Zone, whatever that is. It just pulls the description from your channel. And let's show you what it looks like. Unfortunately, I found a flaw in it that it is an old description that I had and it has not updated. So I don't know where this is pulling my description, but let's show y'all stream description here. I don't have anything made. I'm just showing you how it works. So you can put in your stream description and you can play it. As you see, the same message will pop up here, both on the purple and the green. This was my description. I am a nobody who loves God, video games, and chatting. Welcome to the moon. Enjoy the chill vibes. Supporter, soon to be streamer. And that is an old description. I don't know why is it still there. This is when I took a long break from streaming, but I hope that it will change, and I hope that I one day. But if you want to have something interesting, my description also have more of a description of my streams and what I do, what I, what you will expect when you see the channel. But, use the special identifier stream description. I'm just showing you how you can actually use this, which is amazing. And, I see you soon. I'll try to come up with more tricks and stuff and tips and how to show you how to do things via Mix It Up. Have a good day, y'all.